Okay, this is a case of 31 weeks pregnancy and a case of skeletal dysplasia. As you can see here, this BPD is 29, HC 29, AC 31, and femur length is 25 weeks 6 days. Okay. And we will see the positive findings in this video. This is the abdominal circumference, and if we go upward, this is the thorax, which is very small in circumference. This is the 4-chamber view. In this view, we see the thoracic circumference generally, and this thorax is subjectively very small in size in terms of circumference. We will get to know by abdomen, by seeing the abdomen. You see this abdomen is quite large, and this thorax is circumference is quite less. It is around 25 weeks only, and this is 31 weeks. And second thing is these vertebrae, this rib, they are showing a little bit poor mineralization, and I came to know regarding this skeletal dysplasia by the shape of this femur, which was looking little bit distorted, bowing type, irregular, and this femur length was 25 weeks 6 days. And you can see the limbs. This is the tibia and the fibula. In tibia and fibula also, the mineralization is quite poor. You may not be able to see in this mobile because of this what we say technical limitation of the mobile, in which the echogenicity is little bit increased in the video. Second, another positive finding is there is mild dilated lateral ventricle. This is cavum septum pellucidum, which is present. Nasal bone was present, and this placenta is thickened. If we say that this is 31 weeks pregnancy, then the thickness of placenta should be around 31 or 35 maximum. But here the thickness of this placenta is 40 mm. So thickened placenta is also one of the marker of the fetal congenital anomalies, especially chromosomal anomalies and all that. And third thing of this video is that fetus is having this pelvic kidney. Here the kidney is echogenic. This is the kidney. it is echogenic. Here you see this echogenic kidney with dilated Kelley cell system. And this thorax is less in size. We can make it we can see subjectively over here also. This is the anterior abdominal wall and it is tapering like this. This is the anterior thoracic wall. Here the abdomen shows bulging and the thoracic wall is shrunken in sagittal view.